How to use coins in Bingo Blitz. I'm going to show you how you can easily use coins in Bingo Blitz. Bingo Blitz has many currencies used for different things, and coins are among those. Until recently, coins in Bingo Blitz were used to buy bingo cards, rewards, and power-ups. However, this has since changed. There are many ways to get coins in Bingo Blitz, but the best one is by playing the game. You earn coins for doing bingo or winning games. You can also try leveling up, getting achievements, and partaking in some activities to get coins. Additionally, you can spend real cash to get coins, but we highly discourage that. Bingo Blitz says that you can use coins in the store to purchase various items and boosts, but when you go to the store, there's not much you can buy with them. Previously, you could use coins to buy prizes such as double XP. However, this is now not the case in the popular online bingo game. The same is true for boosts, which could be previously purchased with coins, but have since been removed, and you now have to spend real money to get those. This is in line with Bingo Blitz moving slightly towards a pay-to-play model, where gamers are now required to part with real cash to get some of the rewards on offer. The good news is that there are still daily free credit links that you can use to play the game, which offer a fantastic way of getting Bingo Blitz freebies. As it stands, they would advise not spending or using coins, and instead focusing on free credit links. Before, you could at least get some boosts, but that's not the case anymore, so trying to earn coins may not be the best use of time.